What is up, everyone? Today we are inside the CLA 45 AMG for a different type of video. I figured since it's Wednesday, let's do something different than we usually do. We're gonna do a POV drive and other angles. So we're gonna start out with this angle, do some POVs of me driving through the country roads because it is a video that's been requested a lot by a lot of you. So I figured I would do that, and I have a special setup. So I have my new mic. That microphone is actually wired to the exhaust, so you're gonna get some really good exhaust noises, revs, everything. It's gonna be set up really well as long as the mic stays on. I taped it down as good as I could, so hopefully it stays on for the duration of the video. Do keep in mind I do have studded tires on, so it might be a little loud road noise wise, but in terms of exhaust noise, it's gonna sound really good. I can't launch it too hard because of those studded tires, so I thought I'd start out the video by doing some revs while we're here in the parking lot. I'm gonna switch it to Sport Plus and then give it a few revs so you guys can hear what the exhaust sounds like with all the valves open. A little bit of pops and cracks, but all right, let's begin today's drive. All right, so we're out of the parking lot. We're gonna switch into Sport Plus. That was fun. You can hear those pops and cracks, pretty wild. There goes my MPG. Oh well. There is a curve, so I can't go too fast because I don't want to fly off the road. I mean, that might make for some good clickbait, but not good for my wallet in terms of cost to fix. This action is insane. In first to second, it just pulls so hard. It's nuts. Like, it's nothing you expect. It's really nothing you expect out of this car. And do keep in mind, the intake does add about 10 to 15 horsepower, so it might pull a little bit harder for that intake. So if you do have one of these cars, buy that intake, link in the description. Like, you can see my genuine reaction when this thing pulls in first and second. Man, this thing tuned with 500 horsepower would be mental. It would be such a weapon. With that 4MATIC Plus, it just launches so quick. Down to the accelerator, and it flies. Jesus. Like, what? It pulls your head back so hard. You don't expect it. And I wasn't even doing full acceleration. I can't imagine if this thing was full throttle what it would be. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video of the POV drive. Let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see more POV drives. I did include a little bit of a night drive so you could see the LEDs. I might do a full video on that. Just let me know if you guys want that. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video.